Welcome to Auto Luxury Channel, a channel where we explore the beauty, history, and soul of classic automobiles that shaped generations. If you are passionate about vintage cars, timeless engineering, and legendary design stories, you are in the right place. Before we begin today's journey, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss another automotive masterpiece. Today, we take a deep dive into one of the most breathtaking American classics ever built, the 1958 Oldsmobile 98 Convertible. This car is not just a machine, it is a rolling piece of art, a symbol of luxury from an era when automobiles were designed with emotion, elegance, and ambition. It represents the peak of 1950s American automotive creativity, where style was just as important as performance. The first impression of the 1958 Oldsmobile 98 Convertible is absolutely unforgettable. It carries a massive, commanding presence that immediately tells you this is a luxury flagship. The front end is bold and expressive, featuring a wide chrome grille that stretches across the entire face of the car. The quad headlights are set deep into sculpted housings, giving it a futuristic look for its time. The chrome detailing is not just decoration, it is a statement of prestige, reflecting the sunlight like polished jewelry on wheels. During the late 1950s, car manufacturers were in a design race inspired by aviation and the space age. Oldsmobile embraced this movement fully, and the 98 Convertible became one of its finest results. Every curve, every line, and every chrome accent was designed to impress onlookers and create a sense of motion even when the car was standing still. As you move along the side profile, the beauty of this convertible truly unfolds. The long, flowing body stretches with confidence, sitting on a substantial wheelbase that emphasizes comfort and stability. The chrome side trim runs elegantly from the front fenders all the way to the rear, guiding the eye like a shining ribbon. The proportions are perfectly balanced, giving the car a sense of grandeur without feeling overly aggressive. One of the most captivating features is the convertible roof. When raised, it maintains the car's classic silhouette. But when lowered, it transforms the entire experience. The 1958 Oldsmobile 98 Convertible becomes an open-air cruiser, designed for long scenic drives under the sun or night rides under the stars. In its open form, it fully expresses the spirit of freedom that defined American driving culture in the 1950s. Interior. Step inside, and you enter a world of vintage luxury that feels both nostalgic and sophisticated. The interior of the Oldsmobile 98 Convertible was designed to offer maximum comfort and elegance. Wide bench seats provide generous space for passengers, allowing them to sit in a relaxed, almost lounge-like position. High-quality materials cover every surface, from soft upholstery to polished dashboard elements. The dashboard itself is a masterpiece of mid-century design. Large, round analog gauges are beautifully arranged, giving the driver all essential information in a clear and stylish way. Chrome accents highlight key controls, while the steering wheel carries a thin, elegant design typical of the era. Everything inside feels intentional, crafted with care and attention to detail. Comfort was one of the strongest priorities of this vehicle. Unlike many modern cars that focus on compact efficiency, the 1958 Oldsmobile 98 Convertible was built to provide a smooth and luxurious ride. Its suspension system was tuned for softness, allowing the car to glide over uneven roads with ease. This makes long-distance cruising incredibly enjoyable, almost like floating rather than driving. Performance. Under the hood, this classic beauty is powered by a robust V8 engine. Oldsmobile was known for producing strong and reliable engines, and the 98 Convertible was no exception. The engine delivers smooth yet powerful performance, producing a deep, satisfying exhaust note that perfectly matches its grand personality. It may not compete with modern high-speed machines, but for its time, it offered exceptional strength and refinement. Paired with an automatic transmission, driving this car becomes effortless. The gear shifts are smooth, allowing the driver to focus on the journey rather than the mechanics. This was an important feature for luxury vehicles of the era, as they were designed for comfort, not complexity. At the rear, the design continues to impress. The iconic tailfins rise gracefully, representing one of the most recognizable design trends of the 1950s. These fins are not just decorative, they symbolize speed, progress, and futuristic vision. The taillights are elegantly integrated into the fins, glowing beautifully when illuminated. A strong chrome bumper completes the rear design, adding both protection and style. What makes the 1958 Oldsmobile 98 convertible truly special is the emotional connection it creates. This is not just a car, it is a memory of an era when driving was an experience filled with excitement and pride. It represents a time when families took long road trips, when open highways symbolized freedom, and when automobiles were built to be admired as much as they were driven. Even today, this classic convertible continues to attract collectors and enthusiasts from around the world. It stands as a reminder of how far automotive design has come, and how much character older vehicles carried. Modern cars may be more advanced, but few can match the charm and personality of the 1958 Oldsmobile 98 convertible. Restoring and preserving a car like this is not just about maintaining metal and paint. It is about keeping history alive. Every restored model is a tribute to the engineers, designers, and craftsmen who created it decades ago. It is a celebration of creativity, innovation, and timeless beauty. In conclusion, the 1958 Oldsmobile 98 convertible is more than just a classic car. It is a masterpiece of design, a symbol of luxury, and a reflection of a golden era in automotive history. From its bold exterior to its comfortable interior and powerful engine, every part of this vehicle tells a story worth remembering. Thank you for joining us on this journey with a Jornada de Jesus. If you enjoyed this exploration of automotive history, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video with fellow classic car lovers. Your support helps us continue bringing these legendary machines back to life through storytelling. Until next time, keep your passion for classics alive, and we'll see you on the next ride into history.